Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Chevrolet Express 3500. Chevrolet Express 3500 passenger and cargo vans do exactly what they're supposed to do. Allow you to transport, haul, tow, and work like you need to. The Express offers massive spaciousness, style, safety, and a surprising amount of optional features. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, daytime running lights, trip computer, power door locks, power windows, power steering, bucket seats, vinyl seats, AM/FM stereo radio. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.